All right, up next, we have one lady in my life. She's 16 in the 11th grade, attending Patapsco High School in Dundalk. And a good story from her life, I'll let my sister read.
Well, apparently, she won an equestrian competition at the age of 5 while she was temporarily blind from staring at the sun too long. That's a good story, Sean.
Now, second, we will have Amanda Weber performing her famous sound effects.
What's up? Alright, the first sound effect that I can do is a crying baby. Alright, ready? Alright. Okay, and now I'm going to sound like a chicken.